Good morning, students. Today we're going to learn some of the words with silent letters. Silent letters are the letters found in a word that are not pronounced and cannot be matched to any specific sound made by a word. Let's take a look. In this word, L is silent, so L is not pronounced. So we pronounce this word as palm. Next word is walk. L is silent, so we pronounce this word as walk. In this word, B letter is silent, so we pronounce it as comb. In this word, B is silent, so it is pronounced as thumb. The next word is light. In this word, letter G is silent. It is not pronounced. It does not make any sound. So the word is pronounced as light. In this word, letter K is silent. It is not pronounced. So it is pronounced as knife. In this word, letter H is silent. It is pronounced as R. In this word, letter T is silent. It is pronounced as watch. In this word, letter W is silent. So it is pronounced as wrong. In this word, letter W is silent. It is pronounced as right. In this word, letter K is silent. It is pronounced as knee. In this word, letter B is silent. It is pronounced as climb. So students, these are some of the words with silent letters. Now I'm going to give you an exercise. I'm going to give a list of the words having silent letters. You can practice these words at home. That's all for today. Thank you.